Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Ensure your router and modem are powered and online so the TV can reach the internet. Once done, you should know the Wi-Fi SSID and password and whether you prefer 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed. Now, power on your Android TV and go directly to Settings, then Network and Internet. This starts the connection flow. Follow the on-screen list of available networks so the TV can scan and present choices for you to select. You now choose the connection method. For Wi-Fi, pick your SSID and enter the password. Use the remote or mobile pairing to avoid typos. For Ethernet, plug a good CAT5E/CAT6 cable into the TV and router. The link LED confirms physical connectivity. Once connected, Android TV will request IP via DHCP. This is automatic and usually correct. If you must use a static IP, enter gateway, DNS, and subnet values carefully. After address assignment, make sure you finish by confirming internet access. Open a streaming app or run network status in settings to test speed and connectivity. If pages fail to load, restart the TV and then power cycle the router and modem. Many issues clear with a restart. If problems persist, check DNS and proxy entries or switch to automatic settings, and as a last resort, reset network settings on the TV to default. A key troubleshooting tip: try another device on the same network to isolate whether the TV or the internet link is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.